Hello everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady Jill. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you people. God bless you people for me. And my people, there's one video when I see. Sometimes I dey wonder if Africans, where their sense dey, whether na under of their leg, or me, I not really like. Sometimes I go dey, if I see some kind of video, to talk about myself, it go take me time because the thing go just like, when Parada go say something shockertalize them, so that is, I go dey wonder if Africans, if they dey okay or not. I go dey wonder. I don't understand. I'm not sure say they don't do African people this thing. They don't do us this thing. Me no understand. Which deliverance una dey look for African people? Which deliverance? Even though pastor even tell una say eat shit oh, this shit go make you dey okay, una go eat am. I dey wonder sometimes if una dey okay. Me not really know. Because if you just see some kind of video, that is, you go say you don't want to talk, you go see more. You go see more. The thing will come tire you, say, God, how person go to talk to una who go take get sense, Africa people. Africa, una dance step, don't pass Jerome. Una dance step, don't pass Jerome. Una sure say they don't do African people this thing. If they hear now say a pastor come now, you will see the wrong way they go take. I don't know deliverance what they look for. You when they look for deliverance, you never deliver your. That is, you yourself never even help yourself. You never help your own self. You will say they look for deliverance, they go. Which deliverance? Deliverance where they will deliver you today, you do bad tomorrow. Or me, I don't understand. Which problem una get African people will be say? Una not they look church when they go again. Anything, I be that pastor, they get what they use for now. Me, I don't understand. One video when I see my people pastor they inside water, inside if for inside maybe many of them don't see the video. If for inside water, in the inside the water, like drum, in the inside. Then he put himself inside the water, my people. Then they bring water come out for inside the drum now. You go they give him members maybe they drink. They really drink them. Una sure say African people they okay. Oh, you but we bring this Christianity to Africa. They don't they do like this one. Or Igbo self that they hardly go church, but they better pass us. Their country, it better pass Africa. They're not the two go church, but they better pass us. They better pass us 100 times. 100, when I say 100 times, 101 million times, they better pass us. We bring the Christianity come Africa. They better pass us. They not they go church like that. If you boy even go church Catholic, and that Catholic where they want go so. If you see big man, if you want money for offering, go put coins. Try for Pentecostal. They look your money where you want put for offering. They go they look you. They not go want maybe say you put coins. Lie, not possible. If you not they go. If una go here, una go gauge so that maybe they look and say now competition of dressing and they go they do for church. That is Pentecostal for you. The one where they read the tire maybe say my people. Pastor go for it dey inside water. You go carry water when they bath itself for inside the drum so you go they give him members maybe they drink. They do na Africa people. They do not this one. They do Africa. They do now. Ah, God. Ah, person go to talk to now one I go tell you how. This one not be ordinary again, eh? This one not be ordinary again at all. This one don't pass Jerome, my people. This one don't pass, eh? One when I first see, I felt the chat for that one, cause see this one again. That one, eh? Is your carry oil member? You go put there for one corner where people they pass. Like I don't know how to describe them. It's in a deliverance. It's shame all of them. They be like people where they mad and they not demand. They say na deliverance. Now pastor say me they stay there. Now one woman can't see carry police they go to rescue them. They say Africa again. Una dey okay. Now just this pastors they just not just. There's one time when I go one church that time. This pastor say they say you just come for Africa. Oh, that's okay. Oh, nah, Congo, my people. He wants see deliverance for me. So he wants see vision for me. He say, he will fair guest. Who be some my pa get one man, one a young cool that they call Sunday. But me no say. I go just pass everybody and that my uncle now like he can go see vision for now. I just look and see this one. Fake. Even the way you take the talk and you go you know say na fake. See make I put money for ground. I say which money? Which money I put for ground? Which money? And money that they see vision for person. These African people, this one it don't pass Joromi. And I dey look this to say like my people what would I think? Me they look this to say not be ordinary. Pastor, we just for say drum. Carry water they give on a money they drink. Now go read the drink my people. Now go really now go they drink. One when I see again today now. This one I carry he say me they buy Coke and Fanta come. They pour the Coke and Fanta for their body. People, what do they look for? Which kind of deliverance do they look for? Now the reason I say Oyibo, they know they do like this. Now the reason Oyibo, now they see the way that they behave. The white people want to they imitate. They know they do like this. I see one guy the verse they born a Bible say. Oyibo will bring the Christianity come. They know they would do the way we say they do. Now we go church pass. We go church Monday till Friday Africa. All night evening service morning service only all the whole week self na go and take go church. Now go church pass. And see yet the way the problem still be na so go still be. Wanna take a miss the Africa people. This one not be ordinary again. Me not looking like ordinary. I they look and say this pastor they use something for them. My people. Me they look and say then they use something for them. Because best way they okay. You could just really carry water, that kind dirty water they drink. When you might be don't enter inside. When you don't wash all your body, wash all your vehicle, wash everything beside this thing. Then you go carry the water you they drink. Oh God. Again one when I see that time. That one carry grass. Say me that they eat them. Like goats, all of them, all of them. They read the pick them that they eat them. Una sure say una dey okay. Africans, una sure. Una sure say una no need help. If una need help, una talk. So that make people help una. He no go drink for that water. Oh. Pastors go tell una say some pastors who are not saying oh hey. You go say make una do fasting. He go dey as they eat. You go let una say mona do fasting. He even get one where they preach you. They see go they toast woman. Pastor and toast the member. The girl come say and say he's so pastor. So they even do all those kind of things. The girl come back, they follow and they play like they tell and say, no, no worry. Say really, say you they like that the other one. That one where they use the tongue now. Pastor say, he say na inside na in the pastor now they just so where they preach for every Sunday. Go day or they preach there. They pray to God like say God won't come down so. Whereas now fake in bio. They toast the member for his church there. You see get one when I wash. This one, the pastor that kiss, that one just a kiss. Instead of deliverance, they deliver so. You just carry, you just they kiss the girl. That's why all members come to look at. All of them open mouth not close again. They open mouth down, so their mouth not close again. So they come to look at. The only point for head, say, what the pastor they do so? This one deliverance. Pastor. Now kiss, he come the kiss. Not be even pray, not be even deliverance. Not the way we not go see for this world there. Not the way we not go see. My people, they don't do not this thing. This one are deliverance, I beg. Make you not take them easy. Because me not sure see this one are ordinary again. I'm not sure. I basically just they go say pastor wait for side drum. You go the drinking water. All the name of deliverance. Again, when they wash that, that one go just for you say, may they go buy rice. May they buy rice. May they buy Fanta. May they buy now rice. They take the deliver person rice. You go say this your own rice. You go buy come. How to go use rice? Say the deliver person. Me never see him before. Africa people and now for this year. Pastor will say go buy rice, smart to deliver you. My people, this one a deliverance. Una need deliverance, I beg. Una need help. Una need help, I beg. This will not be ordinary again. Africa's known are wise. That the freeze and this man. Don't forget this the other pastor. They don't talk tire. Say make una. Instead, we una go carry una money. They give pastors. Una carry money. Say help people with the suffer. Now the God go even bless you pass. Now that one God go they happy because pastor what you give now. If they use and they enjoy itself, the family they enjoy. They go the best school. Oh now when they pay the offering, they go. Don't you take una need deliverance? Una not take out. Say me where they bring the money. Pastor go say go bring money, I will bring. He go tell me say me go open God. God go do my own. So that means say God don't do your own through me. Abi? You say me you go sit down, God go do your own. You can't there they wait for how many years? God go do one. God go do one. God go do one. Like the one will go say, I married to Jesus and leave me alone. All those deeper life will be say they know the makeup, they know the dress, they'll just stuff with day like that to no one woman don't the old. Now that time husband don't agree come. And you come begin to say la devil like do one, whereas like what he use the hand take cost. At the beginning, you know one settle down that time. You know? My people, this will not be ordinary again. No, really, this will not be ordinary. Una need deliverance, I beg. Una need them. Una need them. Una need deliverance. This will not be ordinary again. Pastor go tell una say, go bring Coke and Fanta, man, to deliver you. Really go bring them. You go for beside water, you go give una water, una they drink. The other one, those ones, you just go tie them for a side bush. It's not deliverance. Or the name of deliverance. My people. Mona they wise. Mona they wise. This will not be time. Mona, when una go see the let pastor they use una again. Make una they wise. Be wise. Mona they let all those men they use una. They know what they do. All those one now fake them be fake. See the other one. Where that one for come? Thank God say I don't forget. That one where all the celebrity now they are pastor, that Igbo man. Where the one for come? He could just carry human before up, carry him down. What the name of deliverance? Me don't understand that man, oh no. Whether that man in a killer or they say now come this world or he can't do for this world, they never finish him be. Me, I don't understand. That man could just carry human being from up, he could just carry him down. Go say the deliverer. If you not do that one, you just carry, you go the press his neck. You go the press the person neck. Me, I don't understand. And people, I bet that one that still the deliver person. Me, I don't understand. Okay? I don't go dream, say, I see myself for that kind of church. God. He could just carry person from up, that Igbo man. Where he for come? So nobody feel find that man, they arrest him. He could just carry person from up. That man could just throw him. If you not do that one, he could just press the person leg. If you not do that one, you could just begin to blow them. Me, I don't understand. That one a deliverance. That man, now deliverance that you be. Now I want to tell me now say, now God called that kind of person. Devil, now he call those ones, not be pastors, not be God call them. Now they by themselves call themselves. Devil, now he push them. Say, me they go they preach, not be the same God with me they serve. Now he call them. Because I never, me not see where me not see for Bible. Where pastor, God was saying that they deliver like that. Me, I never see him before. I never see him before by people. Now they are hard. Now start to see all those kind of things. Pastor. You could just carry person for up, they just throw me out. You could say they deliver. Hey, my people, Mona day wise. And the church go see full. All of them go they happy. You know? Now that one be their own plan where they tell they deliver. He get one way come that time to come preach for you. He come preach, children die. This man come out. He come preach show. The pastor come here, come preach. I don't want to call his name. Then people will go for the crusade. They lost their children. They lost their children for hotel when they did. The third pastor says, see what happen. The next day, the people will even invite pastor because they don't know when pastor to come out. Big pastor for Nigeria. They don't know when pastor take come out, my people. Now those one tell you say pastor don't come out. As they wish to tell me they go see pastor, you don't even reach Nigeria right now for Facebook say I'm back from Europe. Make you even see tell those people we lost speaking say Mona upset my sympathy you know this that oh. They know what they do. He just come out with that. You know even tell they say sorry you. They are not saying because of me this thing happen. 2 children I die. 2 children. This man just come out. That's why I say, even though at the back of my door, yeah, they for they do any could say. I know they go. I lie. No, I'm not go up again. And before those days, that person they do all those things. Not be now again. I know they go. So my people, make una dey wise. Wanna not allow those fake pastors. Don't be saying they judge anybody. You are not to judge anybody. But the truth have to be said, my people. My people don't dwell in darkness. They just they feel say now all those things. Many of the son maybe not because picking. Maybe they do all those things. Son, I don't know. I want to put on what they make that they do. Maybe say, pastor, go just dey inside drum. You go bring water, come out, give you go drink. Maybe that water, now you don't mess, put it, don't do everything, put for inside the water. You don't wash all everything, put for inside the water. You can't give you say, may you drink them. You go really drink them. My people. I don't even understand that. I want to talk this on our own again. I don't understand at all. So my people, that's why I want to talk this video reach today. So make una just dey wise. I beg anybody who see this video, make it help you share them, make it reach everybody, and don't be stingy with it. Make you reach everybody, and my people. And you when they watch my video, please put thumbs up for me and subscribe. And I beg, if you dey watch this our video, settle down, sit down, wash am well. You go wash am finish, not fast forward am o. Make sure say you wash am so that everything we will talk, it go enter your head. You go enter your head well. You can't drink water. You say, this topic when I listen so if I be dey do all those things, I go stop am. You understand? So settle down. Don't just dey hurry. If you dey do something, put ear for ear, so if you dey listen. Na so. Even me, if I dey listen to people video, I settle down. I dey settle down listen. I know they use Oriori to the new video. I know they fast forward down. I dey settle down so that make I know what that person talk. So now so sit down, jejeje, listen, finish. Let me say Oriori, you know they pay. You know they take us go anywhere. So that is why we have to be calm and listen so that it go enter your head way. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remain your one and only Lady J. Bye everybody. Bye. I've been more than my voice, so I get soft throat. So thank you. Bye.